when God created Adam, Adam was just a lifeless lump of clay that was molded into a figure until God released the breath of life into him. He was lifeless. But guess what? Adam was lifeless until God released the breath of life into him. And when God released the breath of life into Adam, and Adam could open his eyes, the first person Adam saw in his life was not his wife. It wasn't Eve. The first person Adam saw when he became a living soul was God. Did you get that? The first person Adam saw when he became a living soul wasn't Eve. The first person he saw was his creator, God. And again, God caused Adam to sleep, and God removed the rib from Adam's side, a bone from his rib rather, and the Bible tells us that God created the woman from the bone he removed from Adam's rib. And guess what? The Bible tells us that, and God brought the woman to the man. In other words, God may not have created a woman in Adam's presence, because God brought the woman to the man. Now, when God created Eve, and God released the breath of life into Eve, the first person Eve saw when she became a living soul wasn't her husband. The first person she saw was God, not Adam. The first person Adam saw when he became a living soul wasn't Eve, it was God. And when God created Eve, the first person Eve saw when she became a living soul wasn't Adam, but God. So that tells me that if any marriage must be successful, God must be first. God must be prioritized. God must come first. God must be all in all.